Okay, so we had this problem where our character would jump forward and slide. And what that is in Mixamo, with this animation file, there was no in place button that we could click, if you remember. So we essentially have to go in and fix this animation. It's very simple. Just follow my step-by-step instructions and we'll get that fixed right away. So if we click on this jumping animation here and we go to Window, Animation, Animation, it's going to pull up this little animation tab here. Right now we're in the dope sheet. We want to go over here to the curves and we want to select our position here. And you see these blue keyframes? Much like in Maya, these blue keyframes represent our Z depth. We'll notice our character is jumping forward into the Z depth and then sliding back. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete those keyframes so his animation is just in the X and Y axis. So we're going to go ahead and select these keyframes, and then I'm going to shift double click to select all of them, and I'm going to hit delete. And we're going to save, X out of here, and now when I press play, watch what happens. My jump is in place, which is exactly what I want. Up next, we're going to show you how in code we can lift him up off the ground when he jumps. We won't use animation for that. We'll be using the animator and the code. And that way, we're not relying on an animation to move him in space. We're relying on our code so we can more accurately control his movement. I'll show you that in the next lesson.